Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Log into an account with sudo privileges before you start the username change. Verify you can run sudo and know the user password. Back up your home folder and important config files to an external drive or network share. Note the current UID number like 1000 and the new username you will use for consistency. Close all graphical applications and log out other sessions to prevent locked files. Open a text editor to record each command you will run for safety. Switch to a virtual console with Ctrl-Alt-F3 and log in as root or use sudo su. Use sudo usermod l new name old name to rename the account safely and keep the UID unchanged. Move and rename the home directory with sudo usermod d/home/newName m newName to preserve ownership automatically. Update the primary group name with sudo groupmod n newName old name if it exists. Search and edit configuration files containing the old username. Reboot the system and log in as the new username to verify settings and session behavior. Check file ownership with sudo chown r newName, newName/home/newName after the rename to fix residual permissions. Update cron jobs, display managers, and SSH keys that reference the old username to avoid access errors. Inspect sudoers and systemd unit files for hard-coded names and update them accordingly. Keep the old account backup for a short time until you confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.